In this video, that's just a simple little leak repair I found on a service call, no AC. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.
No AC, gauged up, put a little pressure on the system, seen oil spots there. I'm assuming that's where my leak's at. Let's see. Easy fix.
Vacuum pump, torch bucket, MC to B tank, and my Vito bag. Gauges and a meter. Pretty simple.
Big blue, Cal blue, easy enough. I don't even need an electronic leak detector up here to do that. When you're working on all these roofs, you try and figure out the easiest way, like not to grab all your stuff. I mean, I could pull it all out, but it doesn't make any sense. This is HVAC 101, so little big blue. Now, if I couldn't have found a leak, then I would probably bring up the other tools, but this is a no-brainer.
A lot of you guys know that watch my videos or have seen my content. A lot of the work I do is in Chicago on top of these rooftops. Sometimes the hardest part of the whole job is just getting everything up there. This is a really simple job. I'm actually going to go into more detail. So we're going to show you the repair.
re-leak checked these repairs, and now I'll go ahead and let the pressure off, and I'll start to pull a vacuum.